Welcome students of third year civil engineering for the subject employability skills development. So this subject has the teaching scheme for practicals 2 hours per week, and it also has the examination scheme. It will include the term work of the 50 marks. Now how to handle this course, the employability skill development. This course has been introduced with the objective of enhancing the employability of the students through the development of their skills. Following topics and their contents are expected to be explored through the following 10 activities. So activity number 1 is the expert lectures. Second activity is the group discussions. Third activity, case study analysis. Fourth activity, group presentations. Fifth activity, company and corporate visits. Sixth activity, mock interviews and exercise. Seventh activity, demo presentations. Activity number 8, audio and video shows. Ninth activity, use of e-resources. And activity number 10 is the games. The term work will consist of detailed report of any 8 out of the above 10 activities. The activities which need to be performed in a group will have a group of not more than 6 students. However, the report for the term work will be prepared at the individual level. So individual student has to prepare the report for the term work. So unit number 1 includes what is employability, what are the employability skills, focus on what skills do employers expect from graduates, and career planning with the action plan. So this includes in unit number 1. Unit number 2, interpersonal skills, critical thinking, assertiveness, decision making, problem solving, negotiation, building confidence, time management, personal presentations, assertiveness, negotiation, avoiding stress. This includes unit number 2. In unit number 3, presentation skills. What is presentation? Writing your presentation, copying with nervous. Unit number 4, it includes communication skills, verbal communication, written communication, the difference between CV, biodata and resume. Unit number 5 includes commercial awareness, professional ethics and manners, global negotiating and persuading, integrity, global trends and statistics about the civil engineering businesses. Unit 6 includes personal skills, leadership, ability to work in a team, conceptual ability, subject knowledge and competency, analyzing and investigating, planning, flexibility, self-learning, lifelong learning, stress tolerance and creativity. The reference readings are the Cambridge English for Job Hunting by Com Downs by the Cambridge University Press. Second reference is the Polyskills Foundation book by the Cambridge University Press. And third reference reading is the Global Business Foundation Skill Foundation book, again from the Cambridge University Press. So also e-resources are also given, www.skillsyouneed.com. then www.kent.ac.uk. Another is www.skillsyouneed.com. Next is the www.frement.k12.ca.us for the employability skills. You have to also complete the assignments. So assignment number 1 will have the part of unit number 1. Assignment number 2 will have the part of unit number 2. Assignment number 3 will have the part of unit number 3. Assignment number 4 will have the unit number 4. Assignment number 5, unit number 5 it will be covered. Assignment number 6, unit 6 part it will be covered. So total 6 assignment you have to complete it. So assignment number 1, that is from unit number 1, it includes what is employability, what are the employability skills, focus on what skills do employers expect from graduates, career planning with the action plan. Next, assignment number 2 is of unit number 2. It includes the personal skill, critical thinking, assertiveness, decision making, problem solving, negotiation, building confidence, time management, personal presentation, assertiveness, negotiation, avoid stressing. Assignment number 3 will include unit number 3, that is presentation skills. What is presentation? Writing your presentation, coping with nervous. Assignment number 4 will have unit number 4. It includes communication skill, verbal communication, written communication, difference between CV, biodata and resume. Assignment number 5 will include unit number 5. It has commercial awareness, professional etiquettes and the manners, global negotiating and persuading integrity, global trends and statistics about civil engineering businesses. Assignment number 6 will include unit number 6, personal skills, leadership, ability to work in a team, conceptual ability, subject knowledge and competency, analyzing and investigating, planning, flexibility, self-learning, lifelong learning, stress tolerance and creativity. So again here YouTube links are there for activity number 1 expert lecture. You can go to the YouTube link how to speak so that people want to listen by Julian Treasury. Second activity is the group discussion. For that you can refer the YouTube link what to do in the group discussion, that is GD round. The third activity, case study analysis. The YouTube link is 6 construction failures and what we learn from them. So here in case study you can take the construction failures. Activity number 4, the group presentations. Here the YouTube link is how to start any presentation with 9 examples, how to open any presentation. So here you can take the future buildings which are there for the group presentation. Fifth activity is the company and the corporate visit. Here the YouTube link is Kunz Lad Civil Engineering Corporate Film. Activity number 6, the mock interviews and the exercise. You can refer the YouTube link Engineering Student Personal Interview. Activity number 7 is the demo presentation. The YouTube link you can refer AutoCAD basic tutorial for the beginners part 1 of 3. So in demo presentation you can take the softwares in the civil engineering. Activity number 8, the audio and video show. So you can see the video link, must watch top 20 movies, every architect, civil engineer, interior designers. So as like in the Hindi movie Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman or the Raju Ban Gaya Gentleman of Shah Rukh Khan or the Khatta Meetha of Akshay Kumar, that also you can see. Activity number 9, use of e-resources. The YouTube link is lecture on e-resources by Dr. R. Samyuka. Activity number 10 is the games. The YouTube link is best top 5 PC games for civil engineer. Learn and fun. Play civil engineers game by Suraj Lage. So here you have to play the civil engineering games. So here the teaching scheme is practicals 2 hours per week, and whatever I have told you that will be included in the term work of 50 marks. It is included in the examination scheme. So total 10 activities you have to complete it: expert lecture, group discussion, case study analysis, group presentations, company and corporate visit, mock interview and exercise, demo presentations, audio video show, use of e-resources, and the games. And assignment you have to complete: assignment 1 unit 1, assignment 2 unit 2, assignment 3 unit 3, assignment 4 unit 4, assignment 5 unit 5, assignment 6 unit 6. Thank you all students. Please give me your attendance if you have viewed the video as like video topic underscore division underscore roll number underscore self name.